bored.
There's nothing to do around here.
Yeah. Hey, are you seeing the new Star Wars movie tomorrow night?
I'm planning on to.
That's cool. Hey, I have an idea.
What?
We have a NERF War Star Wars battle.
That sounds awesome.
All right, meet back here in 5 minutes. Got it?
Gotcha.
All right, let's go. All right, dude, I'm here. I got my cool Star Wars rifle.
Me too. I got my little gun.
That's cool. Check out mine.
That is awesome.
All right, you ready?
Ready? Can I do the countdown?
No. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, man!
That's how you want to do it?
Oh my God!
I'm Chewbacca!
Chewbacca!
I'm Baby!
Tartar sauce.
This again.
I'm Marlo King! No!
That's what you get. Guys, like, subscribe, comment. Make sure to see the new movie, Star Wars The Force Awakens, tomorrow night. Peace.